This week I was inspired by the book of Matthew, chapter 5, verse 16. Let your light shine before men in such a way that they may see your good works and glorify your Father who is in heaven. Amen.
Oh my God. Got to start anyway. It's moments like this that I'm not gonna lie. I think just really quickly, I just have a quick thought. Where's my husband to come and help me do this? So it's okay, but then I'm quickly reminded that I'm waiting on God. I'm waiting on God. I really am. And I'm at peace with that. All right, so I'm just wearing this cute little lime green dress. Ignore the head tie, y'all already know what this means. Keeping my hair flat. I decided to do a pullback style with the hair pulled back in the middle part, which has, unbeknownst to me, has become a very comfortable, cute look. Like I'm actually liking it a lot. But anyway, I don't know what shoes I want to wear though. I think I'm gonna do definitely open toe because my toes are looking very cute, as you can see. Ooh, 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 and ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, when the toes are done, you gotta keep them out. It is mandatory. So, ooh, maybe I'll wear this little bling bling, a little shine shine. Or should I wear a little leopard? Ooh, yes. I should probably wear these leopard slides because leopard and lime green, yes. I think that's a good fit. Actually, I wish these were more leopard out or more cheetah out. Let's see. Yeah, I think that works. All right, so let me take my sandals off because I really don't want to walk upstairs with sandals on my carpet. And we're about to roll out. Kofi. Okay, I will come back and actually, let me just straighten a little bit up. You know what? Let me not leave my room like this. Let me straighten it up just a tad and a bit. And y'all can watch if you want to. If not, go get some coffee or something because the next scene is coming soon. So that's how I like to leave my bed. Completely clear of everything. Speaking of clear, I am clearly late to meet with Tosin. Let me go. Hello, excuse me. I don't mean to be rude interrupting while you're watching this vlog, but I gotta let you know about the new store we just launched. www.thatnaplife.com. Yeah! It is an online lifestyle apparel store, and I definitely want you to check it out. So go ahead and click the link in the description box and check out the shop. I hope you find many items that you want to rock. Okay? Thank you in advance. All right, let's get back to this vlog. All right, I have made it. I have to figure my way to there because I had to park on the side of the street. Last time I got parking right in front of the venue, but not this time. Okay, I think I'm supposed to go this way. Shout out to Google Maps. If y'all want to sponsor me, I'm more than willing to accept it, okay? Girl, this area that I'm in, the houses here are so inspiring. Let me show y'all this house right here. Hope they're not watching me record their place. Isn't that beautiful? Look at the house. Girl, y'all gotta see, I can't, I don't want to go up on their houses, but there's some beautiful houses over here. It's so inspiring, as in, I want to one day have that. Actually, I will one day be able to afford a house like that, outright paid. But I wonder if I would actually live in a house that expensive. I feel like I would like to be able to afford a house like that, but I'm not gonna actually live there. Maybe what I'd rather do is that money I can use to buy a house like that straight cash, I'll donate it, not donate, but use it for something more meaningful, like somebody's groceries for a few months, somebody's tuition, something like that, I feel like that's more of what I would do. So yeah, I guess I'm indirectly saying I don't necessarily ever see myself living like in a mansion and stuff like that. I do see myself being able to afford things like that, but I don't know if I actually would use it for something that expensive. I'd rather put it towards someone or something that would change the world or help the world, you know what I mean? Or help people. God willing, yes, money will flow. The more money you have, the more you can help others. That's how I see it. The more money you have, the more of a difference you can make in somebody's life. Straight up. And that's what it's all about. Serving others.
Can I put one more piece of my daughter?
Yeah, however many you want. Yeah, however many you want. And look who has joined me, the one and only Tito! Say hi! Yeah, remember our extravaganza? Is that the word I want to use? Our hangout last time. Today, we don't know which way the wind will blow, but we have an idea because there's certain places that we want to go to. Oh, you got a good spot. I didn't even see this. All right, so we are about to go and check out this spot that I actually want to have my birthday at, since I'm no longer doing it at my house. And just want to see what it looks like, what the vibes are like. So this is my first time in your car.
Oh, it is. It is.
This is my first time in the car of Tito's. The Toastmobile. Now this is a fancy bowling alley. Look at that. Whoever designed this place, they said, listen, we ain't trying to be our average bowling alley. I think I might have found my birthday place. Sanitize y'all. And then the bowling alley. Yeah. I like. It's cute and quaint. I like. Let me update my invitation to Pinstripes. Yeah, this place is nice.
Sit down dinner somewhere else, or we're gonna do it there.
I think, okay, you know what, when we go downstairs, I'm gonna actually look at the menu. Because I think since it's all here, I think I'd rather sit down than we go up to go play pool. I mean, pool. Bowling. That might be a better vibe. Yeah.
Because it looks nice.
Yeah. Yeah, it does. You're right. Oh, even outside. You wanna check outside? Yeah. Let's look outside. Oh, look, see, they're doing a birthday thing here. Cozy up with the blanket, or not. Oh yeah, this is dope. This is like perfect for photos. Well, yeah, the backdrop, the background. Or even like with this being the background. This architecture, yeah. All right, man, I think we got it, kinks. I think I got where I want to have my birthday at. So the house is definitely out. This is nice too, because then like everybody can sit here and I can be hopping from person. Well, we'll just see. We'll see what downstairs look like. If I just get a long table, I'd rather that.
Yeah, that might be better.
Yeah, this is dope.
Yeah, this is nice. This is way better than the location I went to.
Oh, so there's two.
There's multiple.
I had no idea. Okay, cool. We found a spot. We found a spot. Yay! So, someone has joined the party. This fine babe right here. I'm vlogging.
Oh, I thought you meant I was going to a piercing. I'm like, you lying? You lying to me?
See how serious she got. Hey, just say hello to people. She's one of extravaganza. We're off to somewhere, I don't know, but it has to involve food. Okay. Hallelujah. Yes, sir. Well, y'all, today has taken another turn. I unfortunately got my car towed. It sucks. I didn't read the sign well. My left and right eye, it deceived me. I think it was my left eye actually. My right is always right. It's annoying. I feel like back in college days, except I can pay for the tow now. But nonetheless, we're about to go eat. I'll get my ar later. Because the way my home guy is set up.
I can't think right.
I can't. Even holding this camera, I'm shaking. Let me go chop. What am I shaking like queen? What am I shaking like queen? It's real. All right, we have made it to the restaurant. Okay. You're right, let me get the aesthetics. Let me get the aesthetics. Good, y'all. I'm low-key using this camera so I can see these two guys over here. We're being stalkers over here. Yes, we are. Look at my friends looking at me. Look at you know, we just, you know, our eyes are just, they're just looking. They're just looking. Ooh. Let me see this one over here. Okay. Okay. You know, we just gotta appreciate our black brothers. That's all it is. We gotta appreciate the melanin. Okay? They both look pretty young. But the one that was our back was to,
Yeah.
he looked older.
Oh, which one? The one that Queen said she was.
The one, the long sleeve shirt, yeah.
Oh,
The one that's the more bulkier one.
Okay, yeah. So the other one didn't have a long sleeve. So I didn't even really get a full.
You gotta look at the details.
I didn't post it. You was on Facebook.
The whole time.
The whole time.
You was googly eyes.
Stare them down.
Exactly.
Yeah, I didn't want to stare them down.
I don't understand.
Discreet with these things.
Do you?
Be discreet.
Do you really?
Wow.
Nah.
Can I be a weirdo?
Right. True. But Telson's discreet. I don't know, cause I promise.
Yeah, she didn't even not see them. You know when else?
I looked over at Toast. She's like, I'm like, Tosin, what the hell? That's why I was like, we one of those weird girls. Our flirting is not.
I know.
Like, you know, but we're lovable.
Flirt, I was just looking at.
We're lovable and fun. Do I even know how to flirt?
I
don't think I know how to
I don't
flirt.
know how to flirt. I know that.
You know, some women can do it so we'll be like,
Oh yeah, they do it so
you
well.
so, I'll be so weird, like, I'll be snoring. I'm like, hi, you're so cute. People like, thanks. I'm like, yeah, so you come here after it? Girl, I be the weirdest. Thank you. Thank you.
You think I'm crazy, but I know I am. Losing your patience, I already have. Don't try to change me, I'm just the way I am. Don't try to save me, 'cause I can't be saved. I can